Hello dear students, today I am discussing about just miscellaneous exercise on chapter 13, that is probability. Okay, miscellaneous exercise, there are different type of questions by using different formulas. Okay, so some of the questions which are in our syllabus this year, so just I am considering only the conditional probabilities formulas and Bayes theorem formulas, and on the base of that formula just some of the questions are given in this exercise. Just we will solve all those questions. Okay, so first question is solution 1. First question, here A and B are two events such that P equal to not 0, P find P by A if A is a subset of B and A intersection B is equal to phi. So here given, what are given? Here given A and B are two subsets, events, A and B are two events such that P equal to not 0. Given PA equals to not 0 and first, A is subset of B. Second is what? A intersection B equals to phi. A intersection B equals to phi. And we have to find, here given this, P equal to not 0, we have to find P B by A. Okay, P B by A. Just we know from conditional probability theorem, P B by A equals to means P B intersection A by P A. So we require A intersection B. So here A subset of B, that is what? A is subset of B means what? A intersection B is can be written as A. That is P A intersection B equals to P. Because A and B are events, can be treated as a subset of sample space. So set theory can be used here. A subset B, A intersection B equals to A. When A subset B, because A containing B, so A intersection B means A. So just we can write like this, P A intersection B equals to P A. Okay. So what? Here we have to find P B by A. Therefore, P B by A is equals to what? P B intersection A upon P A. By using formula conditional probability. Okay, conditional probability. So here P A intersection B and B intersection A, same thing. Okay. So this is equals to P A upon P A is equals to 1. So probability is 1. B by A equals to first case. Second case, here A intersection B equals to phi. That means what? P A intersection B equals to P phi. Means what? 0. Therefore, we can write P B by A equals to P A intersection B or B intersection A. Same thing. Okay. By A. A is non-zero. So 0 upon PA equals to what? 0. Probability is 0. So just the first question is here given. A subset B, two events, A and B are two events. And second, A intersection B equals to phi. Subset, then we can write like this. So P B by A equals to by conditional probability, by conditional probability. Okay. So very simple questions one. Now question second. Question second is what? A couple has two children. Find the probability that both children are males if it is known that at least one of the children is male. And second, find the probability that both children are female if it is known that the elder child is a female. So just here we can use first for elder, second for younger for writing. Okay, here couple has two childs, so we can use the notation B for boy, G for girl. Okay, that is male female. Okay, so here sample space. What will be the sample space? Here also we will find what? Conditional probability. Okay, so just first of all we have to denoting events. Just setting the notation. First, what? Sample space. Just I am writing in very short. So see here, couple has two children. So sample space may be like this. What are the possibility outcomes? Just like this. Elder, younger, boy, maybe boy and girl, maybe girl and boy, maybe girl and girl. This will be the sample space. Okay. So here, what says first? Find the probability that the both children are male, and it is known that the one of the children is male. So here, just let us suppose that two events are there for male, because there are two conditions are given. First of all, both are males. Second, at least one of the children is male. So what? Let in first case, because two events just like here, let E event that both are male. Okay, and F event that at least, I think what at least one of the children is male. At least one of the children is male. Okay, so but just two events decided, and we have to find the probability what? That both children are male if it is known that at least one of the children is male. That means what? Just we have to find the value P E by F. Okay, so by conditional probability you can find it. Here P E intersection F upon PF. This is the first result. Because E, both children are male, it is known that F, at least one of the children is male. Just we recall E intersection F and PF. So here E, then E equals to what? Both are children are male, one condition, boy, boy. And F, at least one of the children is male. Just this three. Okay. So here it is clear that B, Z, B, BB, BZ and ZB. At least one of the children is a male. Because B, B, B implies E intersection F equals to what? Here boy, boy. Both are male, boy. So intersection B, B. Intersection of this. So this implies what? Its probability P E intersection F is equals to 1 upon 4. 1 by 4. Very clear because 4 possible. The favorable case is 1. This total case is 4. So 1 by 4. PF. PF equals to what? PF at least one of the children. Also PF equals to what? 3 by 4. Why? Because at least one of the PF 1 to 3, 3 by 4. So this is equals to the required probability. Required means just as asked in question. Probability required probability is this. So 1 by 4 upon 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, first case. Second case, what? Children are second case. In the case of second, just second case. Let suppose A, B, just we are denoting like this in second case. Event that both children's what? Both children are female. Both children are female. And second what? Elders. Elders child is female. That elder child is female. Same type of questions. Okay. So here just we can write P A equals to what? Both children are female. One case. So 1 by 4. And A PB. PB what will be the PB? Elder. Elder child is female. Elder means first in the first position. So female. So 1, 2. 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. this. Now, A intersection B, what will be the A intersection B here? A intersection B is, in the case of B, these two, and in case of A, only this. So here 1 by 4. Also, we have what? PA intersection B. This two and this. That means what? P, G, G equals to what? Probability, one case. So 1 by 4. Okay, there. So, required probability. Here required probability is what? Just A by B. Is P A by B. Means what B? What B? Children, elder children is female. So here PA intersection B by PB equals to what? 1 by 4 this upon PB 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Final answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 1 by 4 by 2 by 4. Here just we can see that this 2 by 4 1 by 2 solving 1 by 2. So this is second. Okay. So just using conditional probability. Here third question. Third question, just see. Suppose that 5% of men and 0.25% of women have gray hair. A gray-haired person is selected at random. How many percent of men and women gray hair given? And one of the gray-haired person selected at random. What is the probability that of this person being male? Assume that there are equal number of males and females. Equal numbers of males and females means full over 100%. Okay. So here just for finding probability, very simple. Just you have to write. It is given that 5% of men and 0.25% of, because equal number of males and females means just overall you can suppose 50%. Okay, so here just see that what you have to write. It is given that 5% of male, 5% of men having gray gray hair, and 0.25% of women gray. Therefore, total number of person with gray hair, what? Total number of person, men and women, 5 plus 0.25 equals to 5.25%. Okay. Thus the required probability that is the selected person having gray hair is a male. Thus the probability of probability, or that the selected person what what is, we have to find selected person is a male. Selected gray-haired person is a male is equals to 5 upon 5.25. 5 upon 5.25. Okay, 5 upon 5.25 means what? 500 upon 525. So here just we can divide and 20 by 21. 21. Okay, just you can multiply it by what? 25. Okay, so 20 by 21, this is the required probability. Just here male person is a male. Okay, the person being a male, the favorable cases 5%, so 5 upon total number of gray-haired person 5.25%, person by person, so just you can divide it like this. Okay, so this is the probability, required probability. Okay, now just see question 8, because remaining 4, 5, 6, 7, these are the questions related to binomial distribution. So this is not in this level, so just we solve question 8, which are not of what? Related to binomial distribution, mean variance. Okay, so here just take question 8. In question 8 can be solved. What? If a leap year is selected at random, what is the chance it will contain 53 Tuesday? Leap year. Okay, so leap year, leap year, what is leap year? Leap year contains 366 days. Okay, so here just you have to discuss about how can you solve, find probability. Question 8. In a leap year, number of days 366. Okay, so just we have to find the probability that this year contain 53 Tuesday. Okay, so here in a week all days are come, so what? 360 days. How many weeks are there? Just you can divide by it by 7. So just like this, 366, 7. So 2 days are remaining. 2 days remaining. So 52 week. Okay. So here we can decide and write, it is clear that it will contain 52 week. Just write 52 week and 2 days. 2 days. Now 52 week contain 52 Tuesday, and for containing 53 Tuesday, just remaining 2 days, that will depend on remaining 2 days. So remaining 2 days can be maybe in the following way. So here implies if year contain 52 week and 52 Tuesday, and remaining 2 days maybe as Tuesday, Wednesday, first, second, Wednesday, Thursday, third, Thursday, Friday, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Just how? How many? How can we decide? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, that means 7. How many possibilities are there for combination of 2 days? Remaining 2 days may be as like this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are possible combination total for this, because 53 Tuesday to being 53 Tuesday, it is depend on this remaining 2 days. So here Tuesday and Tuesday, 2 possible cases. Here for Tuesday favorable cases, number of favorable cases to total number of cases 7. Therefore, the required probability is equals to 2 by 7. Okay, 2 by 7. Because for being 53 Tuesdays, just that will depend on this 2 days combination. This 2 days combination like this. So here 2 cases are favorable and total cases are 7. So number of favorable cases 2, total number of cases 7, required probability 2 by 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Question 8. Clear? Now, just 9, 10, 11 are on the depend on binomial distribution. So here in the question 12, so here just we can use in question 12 we can use also Bayes theorem and also just by conditional probability theorem. Okay, so here just we are given what? In question 12, 4 boxes are given and in a tabular form, just box A, B, C and D, they containing red ball, white ball and black balls. Okay, so given in table as how many red balls, how many black balls are so on. So here one of the boxes, just here 4 boxes are given, we have to select question 12. Four boxes are given having red, white and black balls just given in the table. Okay, now just we have to find one of the box has been selected at random. Just 4 boxes are one of the box selected at random and a ball, single marble, here marble is given. Okay, here a single marble is drawn from that box. If marble is red, just selecting marble is red, now what is the probability that the marble is drawn from the box A, box B, box C? We can find its probability by reverse probability using Bayes theorems or by also using conditional probability theorem. Okay, so here just let event EA, EB, EC. Here box A, B, C are given from whether box from A, box B, box C, red ball, because just in the box D there is no red ball, so red ball may come from box A, B, C. So why we are supposing let A, E, B, E, C are the events. What events? Selecting the box A, same, box B, same, box C. Okay, and just red and let A be the here A is here, so just use the R be the event that drawn ball is red. Okay, drawn ball is red. Okay, just now for what is the probability that ball comes from box A, box B, box C? Just we can find for this probability what box comes from box A, B, C, that is we have to find them. Then we have to find P E A by R, P E A E B by R, P E C by R. Because it is given that ball is red, so red is in the second part and comes from box A, this, comes from box B, this, C. So just we require this. So we can use here also conditional probability formula or Bayes formula also. So here just use conditional probability. Here PEA means what? PEA, just you can find probability PEA by R. Sorry, first of all, PR, finding red wall. Because finding red wall, probability is what? So just see in the table, how many red walls are there? 6, 8, 15 red balls are there. Okay, 15 red balls are there. Total 15 red balls. And total balls are how many balls are there? 15, 15, 15, and here just 15, 30, 40. 40 balls. Total balls are 40. So red balls. Drawing red balls. 15 by 40. Okay, so 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Okay, this is the PR equals to. Now, we see that conditional probability of EA by R can be written as, just using conditional probability you can find it, or Bayes formula also can be used here. For that, this is equals to what? 1 to 3. Then we can write, or just we can use also this formula by PR. PEA intersection R means what? Both. Red ball comes and also box A. Box A, just in the table, box from box A. Red ball, how many red balls are there? Box 1. From box A. Red ball 1. Total red balls is what? 15. So we can write 1 upon here total balls. Total balls are what? 40. So we can write this is equals to 1 by 40. How? Because box A contain only one red ball and R both intersection. So red ball from box A 1. Total ball 40. PR 3 by 8. Okay. So what? 1 by 50. We can write 1 upon 15 here. 8 and 40. 5, 3 into 15. You see that using what? Conditional probability formula. Okay, just conditional probability formula. Here also PB by R. What? PEB intersection R upon PR. Just you can see what? From box B, red ball. Just both intersection. B contain how many red balls? 6. So 6 by 40. Yeah, 6 by 40 upon 3 by 8. Okay. So 2 by 50. Here just 5. 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Just 2 by 5. Okay. 6 by 40, 3 by 8, 2 by 5. And also last value. What? EC by A. Here probability of EC intersection R means red comes from box intersection. C contain 8 red balls. Okay, so well, what? 8 by 40 upon 3 by 8. Okay, so 8 by 50. 8 by 50. So these are the probabilities. From red ball comes from box A, box B, box C. Okay, this question can also be solved by using Bayes theorem. Just PE by R and write the base formula, and then after finding all the probabilities for base formula, and you can put the value, then you can get also result like this. This equal to this equal to this, and so on. Okay, so this is the solution of question 12. Now next question is 13. Question 13. Assume that the chances of a patient having a heart attack is 40%. It is also assumed that a meditation and yoga course reduce the risk of heart attack by 30%, and prescription of certain drug reduces its chances by 25%. There's two ways are there. Okay, meditation and yoga reduce 30% heart attack chance, and 25% drug 25% reduces the heart attack chance. Okay, so at a time, a patient can choose any one of the two options with equal probabilities. That is, selecting these two ways are equally likely. Okay, if we will denote E1 and E2 for these two ways, then Pe1, Pe2 equal to half. It is given that after going through one of the two options, the patient selected at random suffer a heart attack. Find the probability that the patient followed a course of meditation and yoga. Very simple questions, just E1, E2 for two ways, and heart attack event A, then you can use base formula. Okay, so very simple here, just we have to denoting men. 13. Okay, so just let there are three events. First event A, selected what? Selected person, na? So selected person has heart attack. First event. And then E1, E2. E1 is what? Selected person follow meditation and yoga, and selected person follow drug prescription. But just we denote these three events. Then Pe1 equals to half. Also Pe2 equals to half. Why? Because equally Equal possibility are there. Okay. Now, probability of event A, heart attack chance 40% given, na? So 40%, that is 40% means what? 0.40. 0.40. Okay, and here also P A by E1, A by E2, it is also given, reduces chance of heart attack. How many percent? 30%. Yoga meditation. So 30% reduces chance of heart attack. That is, heart attack chance is 70%. So 70% of 40% reduces the chance of heart attack. Means chance of heart attack 70% and 70% of what? 40%. So 70% of 40%, that is 0.40 into 0.70. Clear? So 0.40, 0.70 means what? 0.28. Clear? Similarly here, how many percent? 25%. So here 75% of 40% equals to 0.40 into 0.75 equals to what? 0.30. Now, by using Bayes theorem, probability that the patient selected patient suffering a heart attack, suffering a heart attack followed yoga and meditation. We have to find the probability for meditation and yoga. Followed the meditation and yoga is given by Bayes theorem. Just what? Yoga meditation E1. So P E1 by A. Thus we have to find P E1 by A using Bayes theorem. So here two conditions are there. P E1 into P A by E1 upon, just write P E1 into P A by E1. Okay, plus P E2 P A by E2. Just use the value, all this probability, just you can use here. 1 by 2, that is what 1 by 2? 1 by 2 into this first value, 0.28 upon half into 0.28 plus half into 0.30. Just half into 0.28, half into 0.28, half into 0.30. Just you can solve 14 by 29. 14 by 29. This is the probability. Okay, just use Bayes theorem for question 13. Okay. So in the next class, just I will cover the next 5-6 questions. Okay. So here you have to solve all the questions related to this year's syllabus except binomial distribution and mean variance. Okay, so do all these questions in your copy and send me solutions as a PDF file for your attendance. Okay.